So my name is Matthew Schultzel. I'm an osteopathic surgeon. I do robotic surgery, colorectal surgery, and general surgery here at Sharp Hospital. I decided on the field of colorectal surgery and robotic surgery specifically because my eldest brother had colon cancer at the age of 40. And I also have a grandmother that had colon cancer as well. Actually, my elder brother had one of the earliest Da Vinci robotic surgeries for colon cancer removal. So I found it very interesting, and I wanted to also be a part of taking care of patients with cancer, and I feel it's my way of giving back to the society that really took care of my oldest brother. So we got Thor 4 years ago. We wanted him to become a therapy dog, as my mother had a Great Dane when she was giving birth to my twin brother and myself, and the dog acted as a therapy dog for her as she was 45 years old having twins. And so my wife and I decided that we would have another Great Dane that was just like the one that took care of my mother and have him take care of cancer patients as well. Thor is great for patients, as a lot of these patients have poor prognosis and oftentimes suffer from depression when they have cancer. And Thor is able to lighten the mood, bring a smile to their face when they see this massive dog. They can't help but be happy, and I feel that the positive nature of him helps with their cancer care and therapy. Thor's patient interactions include visiting patients at the hospital post-surgery, visiting patients in my office for office consultations and follow-up. We invite patients over to see Thor at the dog beach, oftentimes with other Great Danes. So there's a pack of Great Danes running around, which is really great to see. And then oftentimes we invite Thor over to nursing homes or other facilities where patients are receiving their care. So Thor is famous on Instagram. I think he's sitting at around 22,000 followers, and Thor is the live-action Scooby-Doo model for Scooby-Doo. He does all sorts of different adventures and goes all over San Diego with my wife and myself, and oftentimes with other patients as well. A lot of the TikTok videos or Instagram videos may seem fun or trendy, but they oftentimes show off his training. He can sit or stand for a prolonged period of time, open up a puzzle box, do something that requires a certain amount of training that dogs without that training really can't perform, and that's really what the videos show off. Thor is definitely, he's either in your lap, in your face, especially with new patients or new people he knows. For someone like myself, he can be a little aloof, and then he'll come over when he wants attention. He definitely has a pretty big personality. Thor, myself, and Sharp are aligned in the fact that we try to give the patients the best care in San Diego that they could get.